PROMO-1. Marine, Oil, and Gas HVAC System Design. Interdisciplinary Challenges. Marine and offshore HVAC systems are critical for ship and offshore platform design and operation, and they interface with several different disciplines. What is interface? In the context of engineering or technology, an interface refers to the point where different components or subsystems of a larger system come together. Interfaces are essential for ensuring that these subsystems can work together effectively and efficiently, and that they can communicate with each other as needed. 1. Process. Marine and offshore HVAC systems are often designed to meet specific process requirements in ship and offshore platform applications. Process engineers work with marine and offshore HVAC engineers to ensure that the HVAC system is designed to provide the necessary temperature and humidity control, ventilation, and air filtration for the process. For example, the HVAC system on an offshore oil platform will have different requirements compared to the HVAC system on a cruise ship. Refrigeration cycle of an air-cooled system for small ships. Explore our 100% animated, 100% voiceover in English and Hindi, 100% industry-aligned, 100% made in India, with creative graphics in 17 multimedia courses, in a wide range of HVAC topics and home appliances. No Google stuff. Contact us, world leaders in multimedia contents and trainings, on https://sbgblv.com, or mail to info@skolenberg.com.